All right, here we are on week number 3. It's the middle of the week for Amari and the Bib Stick with the Bib Lifestyle Full Meal Challenge. He's doing great, getting the Bib Stick 7 days a week, but we want to show you a couple days of what he's actually doing. So let's go ahead and get started. Amari, this one, you're going to hate me for this one.
Okay, all right.
We're going to go just like this, all right? We're going to have the Bib Stick on our shoulders, and we are going to squat down with a twist. Squat down with a twist. Squat down with a twist, just like that, all right? Can you see how that's going?
I can see theoretically.
Yes. Let's get the timer going and begin. There you go, just like that. Make sure you got that breathing going on. We're just getting started. We hear the weed blowers, again, the airplanes. We can't control Mother Nature and everything else around us. Got this beautiful old tree right here. We're up here at the Waddles Mansion here in Southern California, right in the heart of Hollywood. This was a piece of land donated to the city, the Waddles Mansion. All the historic cars that drove up and circled around this tree and left. Who knows who's actually been here? How's that feeling for you, Amari?
Challenging.
Now we're just checking out his range of motion. So he's each and every week, he's getting more range of motion. His body's getting looser. His heart rate is being able to last a little longer. Of course, his heart rate is constantly beating, but his heart rate for the exercises, his energy levels is what we're really talking about there. Just a few more seconds, Amari. And the reason I want to show you guys these videos each and every week is so that you could see his progress. You can see that we all have to start from somewhere. Nobody doesn't start off this world fit. All right, let's get the next exercise. Let's just stop that for right now. And this next exercise, we're gonna do a row. We're gonna pretend that we're in the ocean and we are rowing. And if you look at me, I'm trying to bring this stick right up the side of the body. We're stretching out the arm, holding the grip, so we're getting a good full stretch in here, and then we're digging deep, and we're digging deep, and we're digging deep.
Okay.
All right? So I want you to look right above that camera, see your destination, and let's dig deep.
Wait, oh.
We're gonna go in front. We're just keeping the stick up here, and we're rotating it up.
This is not as easy as it looks.
Yeah. Can you?
I don't see how to do it, I'm sorry.
Follow my lead.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring the stick like this and bring it up. And then we'll bring it out and up the other side.
Got it.
Right up the side of the body. And then we're bringing it up under here. And then we're digging it deep, and up, all right? Rubbing it up the body, okay. Let me get that 90 seconds started. I'm gonna grab the stick and I'm gonna do this along with you guys out there as well. I'm gonna stand right back here so you can see what it looks like. And this is helping to tighten up the skin under the underarms, stretch the shoulders. We're getting a little bit of an oblique twist as well. It's all different simple exercises. Well, it may look so simple, but these are to help to tighten up that skin all around the midsection, the torso, under the arms, the chest, the belly, so that as we live the bib lifestyle and lose them pounds, we're tightening up that skin as we do it. We stretch out that arm. Can you feel this in your shoulders?
Absolutely.
Do you feel it in your obliques?
I feel it in my my underarm.
Underarms.
Outer chest.
All the spots we're trying to target. And it's all about repetition. Push that arm out. Stretch that stick out. Now, this is the first time Amari's doing this, so of course, it's not gonna feel comfortable. Few more seconds there, Amari. And it's making him sweat. That's not just the sunshine. This guy is working some muscles. All right, that's our 90 seconds there. Let's go on to our, wipe it off there. Let's go on to our next exercise. So this one, we're gonna hold the stick to our side and we're gonna twist it around the belly and we're gonna look behind us.
I remember this one. Yep.
Let's go ahead and do this one again. All right. There you go. Let's get that timer started. Keep that tight underneath the elbow. As you feel it, pull the hand back. Do you feel it pulling the hand back?
Yep.
So we open up that chest cavity, open up that rib cage. Keep your feet flat on the ground. Try to keep the feet stationary. A little bit of bend in the knee. There you go. Yes, more control. You want to control the stick, don't let it control you. Beautiful day out here. Getting some bib stick up here at the Waddles Mansion. Make sure you guys hit that like button, share this with your friends and family. Follow the channel for all the updates. Check out the website, www.biblife.com. We've got root powders for sale, seed packets full of nutrients, books to explain how to live the bib lifestyle, books to explain and define all the nutrients inside all the seeds, the root powders, the health benefits that you're going to get from all of those different incredible ingredients that date back thousands of years. All right, we are done with round number 1 here. Let's go ahead and get that squat twist going there, Amari. Your favorite one. Try to look up to the sky as you're doing it. You're still getting that squat. Get that squat in there. Try to get that butt just a little bit lower. There you go. I know it's awkward, but what we're trying to do is we're breaking up all this tissue on his body, his tendons, his ligaments. We want to break it up and stretch it out so that he can be more functional. When you get to a certain size or when you live a certain lifestyle and you're not twisting and bending and turning your body, it's kind of like a broken limb. Have you ever broken a limb, Amari?
I have not.
Lucky for you. But when you break a limb and you wear a cast, your tendons and your ligaments lock up. You have to retrain that limb to be functional again, to get that movement back. And it's not easy. Well, that's what happens to people on a daily basis if you're just sitting in an office chair each and every day. You're just locking your limbs up to those simple little movements that you're doing, the very few subtle movements that you're doing. That's why we need to do these unorthodox movements, twisting and bending and turning the body in ways that it's not used to. And these are definitely new ways for you to twist. Let's get that next one going.
Which was?
That was the row. Straight up the side, bend, a little bit of bend in the knees, looking forward, staying focused, dig it deep, stretch the arm out, feel it. We're rowing back to shore against the waves. Even though the waves go into the shore, imagine that you're going against the waves. Dig deep. Dig them deep into the water. Get that bottom of that oar deep down there. Get a good pull. And you could feel this all working all in your entire oblique area, all underneath the arms, the shoulders. your traps. It really is a great exercise. And the results that this guy is getting, it's going to prove it to you here at the end of the 8 weeks. You are watching this daily transformation. What he's eating, how he's exercising. Dig it deep, Amari. Get that end in there. Get that stick straight up and down. There we go. On to the next one.
Sorry, my feet.
Finishing up round number 2. Now with your eyes, I want you to follow that stick and look completely behind you. Your body's gonna go, but if you get dizzy, you can always close your eyelids, but imagine you're still looking out there. Your body's gonna go wherever your eyes go. And use that stick as that extra gravity force is gonna pull him around. I'm trying to get him to look all the way back here, right behind him, with each and every turn. How are you feeling?
Pretty good. My feet are hurting, honestly.
Yeah?
Wow, yeah, my feet are hurting.
From the ground there, the terrain?
Maybe
are you
it's I don't
just
know.
off balance
I'm
or?
not sure. Like the arch of my feet.
Okay. Could be from the squats that we're doing. Are throwing you off? Are you okay to carry on?
Always.
I'm gonna say maybe if you step a little bit closer and get on that grass, that might help. The cement might be a little tough, I don't know. But is that a little uneven for you?
No.
Let me check how that camera's looking for you guys out there. We still see him right there, top to bottom. All right, let's get this last round, Amari, down to the squat twist. These are the ones that are probably making your feet hurt because you wanna.
I've always had plantar fasciitis.
Okay.
So when
okay.
I box,
Yeah.
like this was the problem, was being on my toes.
And that's painful. I had a friend just suffer with some plantar fasciitis recently. Yeah.
Yeah, it's the heel, it's like the arch of my foot. It's just like it's cramping. I don't know.
Are you okay to continue on?
I'm not quitting.
All right. This guy is not a quitter. He is determined. And I'm gonna go right back here and do some of these with him. Just like this. I'm trying to get that stick parallel, trying to get that good squat. Amari's gonna get there. This is the first time he's ever done this exercise. We got to get the body used to it, get the mind used to it. All right, let's move on to that next one. We're gonna row it out. And I'm gonna stand right back here and row this one with you. A little bit of bend in the knee. Let's kick those heels out so your feet are straight. And dig in there. 90 seconds. Seems like forever. Stretch out those arms. Let's get this boat going a little faster. Hee ho, hee ho. I'm feeling it myself. Get that form right there, Amari. When, oh, when is that bell gonna ring? And there we go. Let's move on to this last and final exercise for today. I'm gonna stand right back here and do it with you. I'm gonna show the viewers we're coming back at you. We're coming back at you. Just like this. The stick is getting under the arm right here. So as I come around, we're gonna use the momentum of the stick to push this arm out farther. Just like that. What would you give the difficulty of these exercises, Amari?
The squat twist is really hard for me. That's a 9 or a 10.
Yeah.
This is, I call a 6 or 7.
Okay.
And the row, 8 or 9.
Okay. All right. All right. And then we'll see how he progresses and how these all get easier for him. Just a few more seconds left.
It's the time of doing it, you know? Like
Yeah.
it's not that it's hard to keep it doing it.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah, for the 90 seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there we have it, guys. That's it. 15 minutes of bib stick, 7 days a week. This guy's living the bib lifestyle full meal challenge. Stay tuned because his results are gonna be incredible. Be your best body.
Be your best body.